Hey there, folks. Have you ever dreamed of having a cozy indoor experience that's perfect for any season? Well, today we're going to talk about something that makes all your winter and summer worries disappear. The wall-mount ductless air conditioner. This amazing device can do it all. Provide fast, gentle heating airflow during cold winter days and deliver cool, soothing wind flow to relieve stuffiness throughout hot summers. It's like having a personal climate controller in your home. But that's not all. This multi-scene 2-in-1 ventless wall air conditioner is also super energy efficient, which means it can help you save money on your household appliance expenses. One of the coolest things about this device is its effortless wall mount setup. The mounting brackets are designed to provide solid fixation, so you can install it securely without any hassle. It's like a breeze. You simply drill into the wall and voila, your climate control device is ready to go. But what really sets this device apart is its slim body design. This allows you to make the most of your indoor space, which is perfect for those of us who love having extra room around our furniture. The air conditioner for bedroom wall mount is an ideal choice for bedroom use, but it can also work as a temperature regulation device for garages and mobile recreational vehicles. Now, let's talk about some other features that make this device truly special. One of the standout specs is its customized sleep function. This means you can control the temperature in your bedroom while you're sleeping, which is especially important if you like to snuggle up with a warm blanket or two. The operating noise level stays under 40 decibels, creating a tranquil sleeping environment free of noisy disturbances. Another feature that I'm really excited about is its 24-hour timing function. This means you can schedule the device to turn on and off automatically, so you don't have to worry about it disrupting your daily routine. Plus, with a user-friendly remote controller, you can modify target temperatures or activate this feature while lying comfortably in bed. No need to get up manually. But safety is also a top priority for me when it comes to any product I review. That's why I love that this device has built-in overheating auto shutoff protection and a safe bladeless air outlet structure. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your home and loved ones are protected from potential risks. In terms of energy, this device is actually quite impressive. It delivers the same cozy temperature adjustment experience as traditional small split air conditioning equipment, yet spares you expensive complex installation fees. Plus, its low power consumption can help you cut down on your monthly electricity expenditure significantly, a major plus for anyone looking to save some cash. So there you have it, the wall-mount ductless air conditioner is an absolute game-changer when it comes to indoor climate control. With its many features and benefits, I truly believe this device has the potential to make a real difference in your life. Want to learn more about this amazing product? Head on over to our website now and check out the link below for the best price. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.